Good morning everyone, welcome to my art space. It's been raining outside, so I thought it might be a good time to do some filming, and I wanted to show you my latest journal. It's number 5 and this is the cover. I actually had some fabric left over and some lace, and I thought I cover it this time with fabric. And this is my latest thing, actually doodling on tracing paper, and I absolutely love it because it gives that that nice drawn look, and also the translucent paper. I think it gives a really nice effect. And so I just wanted to recommend to you, if you're in Australia, these pens, they are perfect for drawing flowers like that, where you need to have the fine nibs, see, like the 0.05 or 0.1 to do these fine drawings on the inside. They're perfect. So yeah, so let's take a look. So I started off here. I actually did some watercolor. In fact, I wasn't 100% happy when I watercolored it, but with a little bit of posca black pen, it always, without fail, it brings out that flower. I don't know what it does, but posca and black pen on watercolor just enhances the drawing. And these are a couple of tags that I've made. I will show you in my process video in a couple of weeks using watercolors. So it's a mixed media piece. Another mixed media. So just experimenting different things. This one as well, and this one I had a book, an old book, and I just cut out the roses, and these are my pressed flowers. So just going for a more vintage look, and again using my my pen and tracing paper, I decided to do that flower. This one using posca, and thought I'd do a flap. So these are my pressed flowers. This one is so vibrant. Yes, I'm so glad that the colors actually still is as it was when I picked it. Trying to do botanicals again, practicing my drawing. So I didn't trace these ones, I actually tried drawing them myself, so I'm actually quite pleased of how it turned out. And this was that fern that I pressed, and I'm happy how it turned out as well. Just fits my journal. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the mini flip through. See you again in the next video. Bye.